Microsoft Word is a proprietary word processing application developed by Microsoft. Its first version was released in 1983 with different versions written for DOS, Apple Mac, Unix, Atari ST, and OS/2 operating systems. Microsoft Word can be installed on a PC as a single application or as part of Microsoft Office suite. Different versions of Microsoft Word have been developed with different features, and it happens to be one of the most feature-rich word processors in the market. It is being used by billions of people all over the world and has about 38% market share worldwide. In this tutorial, we shall look at what is Microsoft Word, its types and uses. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processor or a word processing application. Word processing applications are used for simple and complex document editing, including designing and printing. Therefore, Microsoft Word can be defined as an application used to create, edit, manipulate, store, print, and share documents. It is a major word processor with rich features that enable users to create simple and complex documents for personal and business use. Microsoft Word is an office productivity app that helps individuals in different fields become more productive. Among the various productivity software identified by NLeaf, Microsoft Word is mostly used. From its inception, there have been different versions of Microsoft Word for Windows operating system and other platforms. Each of these versions were released with additional features or improvements on existing features. Microsoft differentiates three different types of Microsoft Office that anyone can use. Each type depends on the platform and level of use. We therefore have Microsoft 365, Microsoft Office for desktop app, and Office Online. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based service that allows users to receive regular updates whenever it is rolled out. It has plans for personal, small business, large corporations, and education use. Microsoft 365 includes desktop apps as well as online cloud storage that allows you to interconnect devices in real time. It also allows you to connect up to 6 people as well as use multiple devices. You can subscribe on a monthly or a yearly basis to use this type of Word app. Microsoft Office for desktop use is a desktop application that allows you to make a one-time payment. The one-time payment covers the use of all applications associated with the suite as long as you want. It does not expire, but it is valid for one PC only. Also, it does not receive regular updates like Microsoft 365. However, you can get security patches. But for you to upgrade to a major update, you will need to buy another version or an upgraded version of the desktop app. Microsoft Online is a free version of Microsoft Office available to everyone that has a Microsoft account. With a free Microsoft account, you can gain access to use the Office Online, but with limited features. Also, you will use it only in a browser with an internet connection. Every edition of Microsoft Word has continued to bring new features that make document editing easy. Office 2019 has the following new features. Real-time collaboration. This allows you to collaborate with your teammates and see the changes in real time. Language translation that helps you to easily translate words, phrases, and sentences to other languages. Digital pen, which you can use to write in a natural way if you have a pen-enabled device. The LaTeX syntax, which enhances the equation software in Microsoft Word. Icons and SVG You can now add icons and scalable vector images in a Microsoft Word document and also customize it. The slider, which helps you to move from one page to another without scrolling. Microsoft Word is a feature-rich productivity app that can be used for personal, educational, research, and business use. Among the various uses of Microsoft Word include creation of different kinds of documents for personal, education, and business use, such as memos, to-do lists, letterheads, letters, invoices, etc. It can be used to create simple designs like logo for brand identity and invitation cards. It can also be used to create print and digital adverts. It can also be used to create and modify education and business newsletters. Word can also be used to create and edit books or other publishing materials such as newspapers and magazines. It can be used to create and edit scientific and mathematical documents using the LaTeX equation that is a feature of Microsoft Word. We can also use spelling and grammar check to proofread our documents through Microsoft Word. We can use it to collaborate and share documents with others. Word can also be used to print and publish documents as well as translate words and sentences.